Hello everyone. Yes, hello. Welcome to Golden Chef Live Broadcasting. Today is Saturday, so today we are doing some freestyle live stream. Today we are also standing in our bakery room. Let's come from our camera close. Today we invite a chef, a bakery chef, a very famous bakery chef. Today, she will teach us to do a machi bread. So today you can see from the camera here is many girls. They are our sales and our assistant. You can see that here is some face. I think everyone will be noted. Like Shaman. Hello, Shaman. Hello, Shaman. Yes, Shaman is learning. Also, Tracy. Hello, Tracy. Hello. And some assistant girls, Zhen Zhen and Emily and Luisa and Joanne and Kamini. To everyone, hello friends and our chef. Hello chef. Yes, hello Abby again. Because Abby just fee and she's baby is almost 1 year old, and now she's coming back and teach us to do some bakery job. Now she is prepare the butter. Yes, we need to prepare some butter, egg, and some machi flour, and we'll mix together. Hello everyone, welcome to Golden Chef Live Broadcasting. Today is Saturday, and we're preparing teaching, learning for the bakery job, and let our sales team to learn more professional. Yes, to let them more professional to do the after-sales job to each of our customer and to learn more about our machine working. Okay. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you, Abby. Okay, now our chef is preparing the material of the machi. And now we can go around our bakery room first. Camera, please. Hello, everyone. This is Golden Chef Bakery Room. I think if you see much of our live broadcasting, you will be very know this room. And this is from our camera. You can see here is many bakery equipment in our room, and such as this one is the puffer, electric puffer for 16 trays, electric puffer. After the bread, mixing dough, and the dough will be kept here to do the puffer job. And you can see that we have two sizes. One size is 16 trays, and another size is 13 and 32 trays, double door, a bigger one. So it is one of the pallets in our bakery room. And it is have the timer, humidity control, and temperature control. It is very easy control pedal. And even though the lady can learn it and use it very easy operation. And beside it, this is the convection oven, 10 trays convection oven with a very big fans inside. You can see here is double fans and can do the heating job, can through the heat air inside the chamber very even. Two big fans inside. And here is the round tube heating element. Very high efficiency. And you can see that each of the cutting for the steel plates, it is very good. The finishing, it is very good. Even though the hands go through each of the shelf, I will not get hurt because it is do the cutting job with the famous cutting equipment. The Trump laser cutting machine and the Yahweh, the famous brand from China and Germany. Okay, this is the 10 trays. And also we have the 5 trays convection oven, and we'll do the combined job with the shelf here. The shelf here can keep some baking trays here. Yes, you can keep the baking tray here and waiting for the baking job. Also here is the control pedal, and with the indicate lights, you can see the heating the baking job inside very clear. This is the LED lights. And also very easy control from the on-off switch and the temperature control, and with the timer and the steam function. Also this control pedal you can choose as it is optional. Okay, camera, we can come back to see the baking job again. Now our chef is preparing. Now it's mixing with the egg and some, I think it is with some salt together. And then to put it into the flour. All the material we'll put inside the bowl. Today, we will use our 8-liter planetary mixer. 8-liter planetary mixer. Camera, come and show everyone. Yes. This is our hot cell model, 8-liter planetary mixer. Yes. 8-liter planetary mixer with 3 functions. And from the camera, you can see that here is the whips for mixing the egg, cream, and now we are going to use the hook to mixing the dough. Yes, the chef is also teaching our assistant and the sales how to use the machine. Now it's doing the install job. Yes, the hook is installed. And here is the cover, the protection cover. Yes, and then we will locking the bowl and lift it up. Okay, machine will start. Yes, also this machine, now the time is setting for 4 minutes. 4 minutes setting. And this is the on switch. Now the machine is doing the mixing job. This camera, you can show the mixing job to our customer. This machine, it is very quiet and the low shaking. It is very smooth, and you can see very clear that the dough, the egg, and the butter, the salt, it's mixing together. The shape is very good, I think. Now we can see that this machine also have 3 speeds. First speed, it is for the hook working with the flour, the bread, the mixing the dough. And the second speed, we usually mixing with the whip. Also mixing with the whip. Let me show everyone. Mama. This is the whip. We usually use the second speed and working with this whip to mixing with the meat and some filling. And this is the normal type. We use the free speed, the fast speed for the whip, mixing the flour and the cream. And today we're using the hook with 1 speed, the slow speed for mixing the dough for this machi. And you can see that the control pedal timer is counting down Just now we setting with 4 minutes, and now it's 2 minutes ago. Okay, stop. And now the chef will putting some butter again. Hello everyone, welcome to see Golden Chef Live Casting. Yes, you can see that for this cover here have a hole, and you can put some material inside when the machine it is working. You no need to open the cover again because here have a window. Okay, machine start again. Okay, 2 minutes left. And now our chef adjustable the speed to the second speed a little faster. And the chef, when the machine is working, she will watch the situation inside the stove, it is okay or not. Okay. It is with very good experience chef. Hello everyone, you can see that camera, please show everyone. Here is our sales team. Yes, our sales team together today, Saturday, to learn together how to break a machi and also how to use the machine. Because the sales team not only selling the machine and not only talk about how much and how much the machine, how's the function on it. Also, we need to learn how's our machine working. We need to know more about it and know how to selling it well. So we will doing a lot of this type of teaching job with the chef to teaching our team, the lady, how to use the machine, how's our machine the working. It need to improve a lot. Because also our engineer need this good feedback from some chef, some bakery people to know how our machine working. Is it perfect? It need to improve something or not? So this experience and this feedback, it is very important. So, Tracy, how do you think about today the learning, the teaching job?
I think it's really good because this is the first time this year we start to learn about this kind of the baking, especially from our professional chef. How about you, Shaman?
Wow, I think it's a very good experience because as we just talking about the machine all the time, but we never try to learn how to make a machi. To me, it's a very fresh experience because I don't know how to make the machi. It's a very good time for us to learning for the bakery job, also learn how to use the machine in the professional chef side.
Yes, thank you, Shaman. Thank you, Tracy. Everyone is very excited how to do a job with our machine because every day they only check the machine, very boring. But now have a chef, have a teacher to doing some job with them. They will much more interesting and well know about our own machine. Okay, you can see that here is our baking room. We have one-stop service for the whole bakery kitchen and the staff also for the staff hotel. And we can go around again. Here is the planetary mixer we are doing the mixing job here. This is the tabletop one with the 8 liter. Also, we have different size, different capacity, like the 10 liter up to 100 liter. We have different size of the planetary mixer for you to choose. Also, we have the 7 liter. This is the normal type. I think most of our customer will be well know about it. Okay, and you can see that in one kitchen, here is many of the cabinets. Yes, the freezer, the cooler, there is much more the cabinets, the working table in each of the kitchen. Yes, here is the working table, can keep some fresh fruits, the cream, and also some raw material inside. And also here is the showcase. After doing the job with the baking, we can keep the cake and show here. Okay, I think we can come back to our shelf. This is the dough just finished mixing from our 8 liter mixer. And now the shelf, we're doing some cutting job to divide it into different small pieces. I think next time we will prepare our dough divider here. It will doing a divide job with the totally same weight for each of the small bread. Dough divider is a very good partner for the shelf. So no need to cutting one by one and to do the weight job, because the dough divider can be cutting in 2 seconds. It can finish very fast and very exactly weight. And now the shelf will be divided into a small bowl and make it round. It is very exciting, right, Chasey?
Yes, I want to try.
You want to try?
Yes.
Okay, cleaning your hand, and let's start together with the shelf. Okay, Chasey, John is together. Everyone want to try? Maybe together? Yes, Shaman together. Hello everyone, this is Golden Chef live stream. Today is Saturday. We have a teaching for how to make a machi with our bakery equipment. Today we are standing in our bakery room, and we invite a chef, Abby, to teaching our sales team to do the baking job with our own machine. Now they are make the dough get round. Chasey do a very good job. Happy face, Chasey. Hello everyone, this is Chasey. Do you remember her? Our sales, our professional sales. Wow, good job, Shaman. Yes, Shaman, good job. Everyone want to try together? 我哋戴個手套可以玩下。係可以戴手套玩。戴個手套一齊玩下。係啊，你講下嘢，你嗰度冇聲。我跟從入唔到啊！呢個咪冇咩。你哋講下嘢啦，活躍啲啦，唔好。美人餐啊你。Hello everyone, this is Golden Chef Live Broadcasting. Today we are still in our baking room, and now is doing the baking job for the machi. And we can go together to see our oven first. Because later when they do the dividing job for the dough, we will put the dough inside our oven. This is company's convection oven together with the deck oven. This is 5 chase convection oven. Yes, 5 chase Also with the heater, the round heater here, and the powerful fan together. Also it is with the timer and the steam function. When the machine open, the fan will stop working. We can show everyone. This is the power button. And now we can setting the temperature. Now we setting, you can see that the temperature is 160 and time is 3 minutes. Now he will counting down. And this is the indicate light. When we push the start button, now the timer can be counting down and you can see that the temperature is going up. It is very easy control. Also camera, you can show our customer that. Can you see that now the fan, it is running. It is running and now the heating, it is flowing with the fans and will be go around, go very even the convection oven inside. And when the door is open, you can see that here show open. Yes, machine open. And the fans will stop working automatically. Yes, now it stop. Also, when we close the door, let's see that. When we close the door, the machine will be work automatically. Yes, it will get running again. So it can protect the shelf, the user very well. When it is open and it will stop and the heat cannot go out again. And with the indicate line, you can see the baking job inside very clear. And also here with a shelf, you can keep your baking trays here and maybe doing some trays keep here and put the job when the bread is finished and you can keep here for cooling. It is function for this. And also you can see that here is 4 tray stack oven, electric stack oven. And this is the heater, the temperatures setting down the up temperature, the down temperature, and also setting with the time. Now inside the baking room, the chamber, now the upper temperature is 170 and the down is 150. And also this also with the indicate lights. Okay, the bread is preparing. Now the bread, we can show everyone the bread is dividing into many pieces. And now, yes, putting into the camber, we can setting the time. Now we are setting the timer to 30 minutes. Okay, and start. Okay, when we setting down the timer and put this clock, and the time will be counting down. Will be start counting. So now we need to waiting for around half an hour for the bakery job. You can see that with the indicate lights, we can see the camber inside very clear. And also we can show everyone that with our very special 妹妹幫開開隻門。而家下層冇開。 This is the big glasses door. It is 2 mm thickness. The thickness is 2 mm. And also you can see that the heating element, it is very special design. It is have the curve. This technology, it is from Germany. Okay, now we will be waiting around 28 minutes. So the machi will be finished baking. So we can go around and you can see that here is all our sales team waiting here and we will be waiting for the baking. 搞掂啦。冇嘢搞啦。Okay, come back to the cake showcase again. This cake showcase, we have different size for you to choose with 1.2 meter, 1.5 and 1.8. Also with different deck for you. And this base, this one is marble. The material is marble. And also we have stainless steel for the customer for choose. Some will be prefer that to choose the stainless steel one. Also here it is with the sliding door. We can open and close very easily. Sliding door. And also it can keep the temperature, keep the temperature and the humidity inside very well. So you can see that here after the baking job, you can put the cake and show the customer, show the user here. Okay. Come and see here. Here is the working table. It is many working table inside the kitchen and inside the bakery room. So it is sold much more well. You can see that even though the kitchen with only one planetary mixer, but they will have many of this type of the working table, the caplins, the freezer, the cooler inside the kitchen. Each of the kitchen will have that. Okay, this is store and can keep different type of the material inside. And this is the control pedal. Okay, and this is our 8-liter dough mixer. 8-liter dough mixer. This is specially only mixing the dough. You can see that here is the hook inside and the 8-liter bowl. It is maximum can mix with 3 kilogram dough, 3 kilogram flour. So you cannot see only it is a tabletop machine, very small size, but actually it can do the 3 kilogram flour for the baking job. So it is a very good helper in the small kitchen and also with a big family. Hello everyone, this is our baking room. And today we are learning how to make a machi. So just now, we do the introduction about our company's oven, and next to them, this is our economic type of the deck oven, 3-deck, 6-tray deck oven, and this is the gas type with the manual control pedal. Yes, this is with the manual control pedal. Also, you can see that here the control pedal, the PVC design, combined with the temperature controller and on-off switch, the design, it is very good. And also with the timer. This PVC, actually you can do your own design, we can do the customized job for each of our customer. You can put your own logo to design your special color. It is okay. So you can see that here is a stainless steel handle and very strong. We can open it very easily. And it is a very strong door. And you can feel that each of the stainless steel, it is very strong. And inside it is filled with the insulation cotton. We can show you that here is the seal, the door seal, what we use. We are not using the cheaper one, the plastic one, but we use this high quality cotton. When the temperature up to 500 degrees centigrade, this one will not be changing the shape and will not get burned very easily. It is more long service time than the plastic one. And you can see that here is our camber. The camber, we are using the aluminum pan, and the thickness, it is about 0.6 mm. And you can see that the heater, the burner, what we're using, the material is also stainless steel, not the iron steel. The iron steel can changing the shape very easily when it is working. So we choose the better material for the stainless steel one. And also each of the steel with different holes, such as this one deck 2 trays. The small holes, it is around 700 small holes on the tube. This is calculating from our good experience of our engineer. And also we have different sizes, such as 1 deck 1 trays up to 3 deck 4 deck 20 trays, different size for you to choose. So different of the kitchen, and you can choose different size as you need. And also machine will come with a big wheel. So even though it is such as a big machine, you can move it very convenient with the wheel and with the lock. When you're doing the moving job, you can lock the wheel and the machine will stand we can stand in the kitchen. You can see that here is also some special design for the machine body. And the camera, you can show our customer much more details about our machine. You can see that the window and also the gap of each of the panel. The gap, it is very small. And also the cutting, it is very good. Because it comes from our punching machine. The finishing, it is very good and will not hurt our finger. Okay, also beside the oven, it is also the freezer. It is a freezer again. You can see that here is really much of many freezer, cooler, different size. The upright ones and the table, working table one. And this is the fans we can see from the camera. This is the fans what we use. Yes. It can make the temperature inside the camera very even. And also we have the 4 doors with the shelf. And also you can choose the fridge, not for the shelf, but you can choose for the GM pan. GM pan, it is also okay. Different optional for you to choose. And it is also, you can see that the design, it is very smart and low too much more decoration, because inside the kitchen you need to do the cleaning job every day. So it is very easy to cleaning like this gap, very easy, and not too many rubbish will be kept in the store and to make the kitchen dirty and smelly. You can cleaning it very easily. Hello everyone, welcome to Golden Chef Live Broadcasting. Today we are doing the baking job with our chef Abby and all our sales team. It is here. Hello everyone. Hello ladies. Hello Lydia. Hello Emily. Hello Joanne. Hello Tracy. Hello Abby. Hello Camille. Yes. Hello, Shaman. This is all the ladies in our sales team. You will see their face in our live broadcasting. Today, all the ladies come here, and our chef, Abby, is teaching them how to do the baking job with our machine. From how to prepare the material, how to do the weights, the cutting, mixing, and now is waiting for baking. Baking, it is a long time job for the whole processing. Now it is around 12 minutes past, and it is least around 18 minutes for the baking. From the indicate line, you can see that the small bread, it is growing up a little. And then you can see also the color, it is get a little yellow. And I think the color, it is very even from different side of the machine. Because each of the machine, before we selling to our customer, we will do the testing on it. The temperature difference for different angle of the machine, we should be confirmed that it is around 5 degrees centigrade difference, 3 to 5 degrees, no more than 5. Because need to confirm that the temperature is same in each corner, that the baking job will be do much more even. The color should be the same for each of the bread. That it is the good machine. If the baking job, the colors is different, that it means that this machine, it is not so good. Usually, we have many questions from our customer. Some customer, after use our penetrating mixer, they will say that why it is working so shape and a more noise from our machine. Then after this learning, after this these classes, we will know that we can asking the customer which of the speed do you use in the machine? Do you use in free speed for mixing the dough? If yes, please stop it because our machine only can use the slow speed for mixing the dough. Because after this type of the classes, we will know more about our machine. We can answer your question very quickly. You no need to wait for one day, 2 days for our answer, because after that, we will know our machine much more well. Also, from the classes, we will know that usually the chef will be much more prefer to use the second deck of the oven, because the second deck, the temperature keeping, it is much more even than another two, because for the middle deck, here have the insulation cotton for the up and also the down. Also the first one and the third one, the temperature can come together into the second floor. So it means that the second floor, the temperature will be kept much more well than these two. So the customer, the user, and the chef will be much more prefer to use the second deck more often than another two deck. This is some experience from our teacher, our chef, to make the feedback from their experience and telling us. So we will be learn much more about this from our chef and our friends. And then when we have the question from our customer, we can be do the feedback, we will be answer much more faster and to do the much more recommendation for the customer and also do the after sales service much more well and much more sooner for each of our customer. Okay, let's go around again. We can see some big guys from our kitchen. Here is the pizza dough mixer. Yes, the pizza dough mixer. Except the normal type dough mixer for mixing the bread and the noodle. This is very special one for mixing the pizza. I need to ask someone to help me. Shannon, can you help me? Yes. This is our dough pizza mixer. Yes, the spiral mixer. Yes, later Sherman will help me to show you guys how to open the machine and lift the head up and move the bowl out. Because this machine is very special. The normal type dough mixer, the bowl it is stand here and cannot be moved. Also, the head cannot coming up, but this one it can. So now Sherman will show us. Please be careful, Sherman. Yes. The first step we should be open the cover, and the second step will be loosen this screw, and then the mixer head can be lifted up. You can see that here is hydraulic lifting shaft here, and the whole mixer head will be lifting up. It is mixing with the chain driven. Okay, now the second step, Sherman will be move out the door for us. You can see that inside the basics, here is a sticker to telling you which angle is for open and lock the bowl. Okay, Sherman, let's begin. This one is the locker. Yes. And now the bowl is taking out. So some customer will asking that do you have one of the machine the bowl can be moved out for getting out the material or for cleaning? Yes, this one it can. And the bowl we can showing you guys that it is very strong. It is very heavy and strong. Also, you can feel that the screw of the bottom, it is also very strong and good quality. Okay, let's put it back to the machine. Okay, we need to make sure the fourth screw is doing the install job for the whole. Okay. And then we lock it. Lock. Okay, now the bowl is standing inside the machine. Okay, when we need to start the machine, the head should be going down. So Sherman, please help me again. The first step, we should be put the cover, and then the second step, it is push it down. This missing head a little heavy for the lady, I think. Yes. Now the head is putting down, and you need to make sure this screw is back to his position or not. When it is go back to this way, it means that the cover, it is locking. The head is locking. Okay, we can open the machine, and for doing some testing, we can come back here to see the control panel. It is with the on-off switch, and with the timer. And now we push it to 1 and put the start button. Now the machine, it is working. The hook and the bowl will be going wrong. together. And also, our machine with the limited switch. When you open the cover, machine will stop. It is with CE standard, with the limited switch here. When the machine working, the cover open, the machine will stop. It is one of the protection for the user. Also, when you want to stop the machine, you should put the red color one, the emergency button here. Also, you can setting down the time to 0 to 60 minutes. The machine will doing the working job with itself and stop. You can see that here is the whole body with the steel plates, and the body is with the strong steel plates, and with the very bright cast painting. Also, you can do your customized colors on the machine, such as our Golden Chef orange on the top of the steel plates, and the body is combined with the white color. It is very smart. Okay, hello everyone. This is Golden Chef Label Casting. Today our sales team have the classes with how to do the baking job together. We can see that now the machi is growing up. I think it is have 2 times breaking. When the chef is doing the baking job, he will check the baking efficient inside many times to know how to adjustable the temperature or not, adjustable some timer or not. It is according to the chef's experience. So we can see that it is growing up and with a very round shape. Yes, it is very round. I think it will be very delicious. Okay, let's come again. It needs to wait about 6 minutes and the baking job will be finished. We need to wait again. Okay, let's come and to do some introduction about our machine again. Just now we do the introduction about our spiral mixer, pizza dough spiral mixer. Yes, we also have the normal type for the dough for the bread. So if you are interested in our machine, you can leave some message in our comment area. Our sales team will reply to you and do some recommendation for you. And also we can send some of the video for the machine working. We have many type of the machine introduction in our YouTube channel. Also, you can follow up our YouTube channel, our Facebook, and our Alibaba shop. We have different type of live stream in each week from Wednesday to Friday, and also different type of the small video for you to learn more about us. And beside it, it is another series of our planetary mixer. This is very special for the 4 function. Usually we have the 3 function with the whips, the hook, and the beater. But this one with the meat mixer. Yes, this machine have the 4 function. It is working with a meat mixer. Maybe last live stream, we will working with the machine and showing you how it is working with 4 different type of the function. And also now I can open the machine for you to feeling how our machine. This is also, actually our pandatory mixer can be setting with the timer. This is also one of the optional tools for you. Okay, we need to make sure the emergency button, it is open again, and just putting down the start button, the machine will be running. When we open the cover, the machine will stop. And also, when we lifting down the bowl, machine will also stop. This distance, it is also calculating by our engineer. When this cover it is open around 6 mm, the machine should be stopped because we need to confirm that our finger cannot putting inside the bowl. Because when the machine working, the user put the hand inside, it is very dangerous. So we need to protect our shelf and the user using the machine, it should be safe. Okay, camera, come here. Hello everyone, this is Golden Chef Label Casting. Golden Chef, we have more than 25 years history to doing the food processing equipment and bakery equipment. So if you are the wholesaler or some user or the project job for the kitchen, the star kitchen, the bakery shop, you can contact with us immediately. You can leave down your connection in the common area. Our sales team will be reply to your message immediately. We can give you some professional recommendation, and also we can give you some ideas and send you some introduction about our machine to you all, and you can learn more about us. And if you are also interested in some of our machine, we can do the quotation for you. So now it is around 2 minutes to the baking job will be finished. We will be waiting again. Let's show the bread together, come with the camera. It is a very good helper, I think. This is the combination oven. It is the luxury European type. You can see that the design, it is very special. And also, this is with the big window. The glasses is more than 2 mm. The thickness, it is more than 2 mm. The body, the steel body, it is 1.5 mm. You can see that the machine, it is working more than 30 minutes. And the inside, we setting down 107 degrees centigrade. When my hand put here, it is just a little warm. I think it is around 13.5 degrees here. It is a little warm, and my hand will not get hurt. Because sometimes when the chef to do the baking job, he will push the bottom here and will be put the hand here. But we should be ensure that the chef and the user will not get hurt, will not get heat. And also the temperature control here down to 14 degrees centigrade. It means that each of the spare parts, the electric parts, can be serving you in a long service time. Because the electric parts, cannot use a long service times with a high temperature. So I can feel that here is almost be cool, and here is a little warm. But here is a little heat. It is around 50. I think it is 50, but it is also okay. The body, it is very strong, 1.5 mm. So it is a strong guy. Now all the cells, it is waiting here because it's counting down around just 20 minutes. So everyone is stand here and waiting. Hello everyone, this is Golden Chef live stream. Today we have the class. To do the baking job for the mochi, and all of our sales team and the assistant is together. Okay. Chef, it is done. Okay. When the time is up and the machine will be do the warning, you can hearing the voice. Just remind the chef the baking job it is finished. Okay, it is very heat, to be careful, everyone. Wow. Let's see the colors. We can see that the color, it is very even from this side to this side. And also, I remember that here is the closed door, and this is inside the camber. Also, the color, it is also the same. Let's see the bottom. Okay, the color is okay. The chef is, she said it is okay. Okay, we can open it and to let us, wow, wow, it is very good job. Very good. Yes, it is very high temperature. To be careful. Let's see our sales team. Hello, say hello to everyone. Hi. Yes. How do you think about it, ladies? Today is happy?
Yes, really happy.
Yes. How do you think about this class? Do you learn how about the working with our machine? How do you think about our machine, and how do you think about it? If the next time have this time of the classes, will you be join us again?
Thank you, Sunny. Yes, if next time and we still can arrange the different bakery classes, I'm really happy and feel excited and hope can join in that. And today, because our chef also used the planetary mixers and our that oven, so you can see it's really beautiful bakery result here. And if you're really interested in our machine, and you can still leave comment to us and let ourselves know about it.
Yes. Also, because why we have this time of this class, because we want our sales team, also our after sales teams like our assistant, learn more about our machine. So how do you think about it, Sherman?
Yes, I very enjoyed today's lessons, and I can't wait to arrange the lessons from us. Like everyone is happy, and we learn how to use the deck oven, how to use the planetary mixers in the professional way, and finally we have this perfect machi. We are very enjoy it, and today we have a good time. We are chef and our whole team is very happy. Our girls, please come.
Yes. Okay. So thank you for today's Saturday live broadcasting, because usually we're doing the very formal one to do the introduction for one by one of our machine. I think it is a little boring, and also our customer want to see how our machine working and how the real things it is happening inside the kitchen. And also all of our sales team will be very interesting to do the job. So today, very thank you for our chef Abby, and I think in last week and the coming soon, we will prepare more about like this time of the live broadcasting for you all. And also, if you are interested in some of the machine, we will prepare some live stream for you. So if you have any idea, we are warmly welcome that you can leave down your message in the comment area. We will read your message one by one, and very thank you for your feedback and your idea. So today is finished. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Thank you for everyone. This is Golden Chef. Thank you. Bye-bye.